15 again. Yeah, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys the next step of MVC music store tutorial. This step, the name of this this part is edit forms using scaffolding. Technically, in this part, they're going to, let me see, they're going to use the technical term. The technical term is, we call it CRUD. It stands for create, read, update, and delete. This means we use the technology to manipulate the database. This means we're going to create a new record, read update the new data to the to records inside the database, and delete them. First is you see over here is StoreManager, just for the manager, because I think the users, or we call this customer, cannot see this page because it belongs to the manager. Of course, because we don't want our customer to touch our data, manipulate our database, right? This one is show all of the album we have inside the database. This means all the album is in the market. Yeah, we can tell us over here is we can create new album, edit it, show detail of each album, and delete them. Okay. We have genre, name, artist, titles of the album, the price of each album, and we can edit details and delete each album. For each windows over here, we'll see this one we show the details of the album. If we click over here, it lists the album. If we want to show all details of the album over here, we click on details link. Delete. This one will confirm the manager that you want to delete this album, and we will show the details of that album, and you confirm the manager you want to delete that one. And we have links to edit the album, or we'll back to the list. Back to the list over here, same, back to the list, delete it. And this page is we use to create a new album, say a genre, and we have a drop down list to select a genre and the artist and the title of the album, price, and the URL where we get them, the art. And finally we have the edit the album. When we click on edit, we will fill out all the information of that album, and yeah, we can manipulate it, like we change the genre, or we change the artist, or we change the price of the album, and we sell it, or we don't want it, we go back to the list. Okay, this is the order of the step we're going to I'm going to show you how to do it. And I warning, it's really exciting and really long and a little bit complicated. hopefully you guys can do it, and if you guys can do it, I'm really happy. And okay, for the next step over here, um, I just, again, because of my software, recording software is limited times, so I just, in this clip, I just show you how to display all of them, all of the measure page over here, just one. Okay, this means we should have one view in it's called StoreManager view. And again, and we have we have to create one more controllers, new class, and put the name of the controller is StoreManager controllers. Put in here, and okay, we have the new controllers. Okay, back to the view. We should have StoreManager view. Alright. Okay, it's look like today we have to learn one more stuff. Instead of we use JSTL only, we use JSP. Okay, are you ready? Inside the StoreManager controllers, again, those import over here, they are really important, but you guys don't have to remember, because when we work over here, it will ask you to import. Eclipse will help us to import them. Alright, of course, first step, we have to put the controllers to let the system know that this is controllers, and the map we want when we put the address is store managers, it will go to store manager layer. Let's see, right here, see store manager, and go to our part, see store manager. Okay, this one, of course, this is the name of the controllers, and locker, I will show you. I don't know you guys want to know or not, but I use them to lock the system to see what I'm doing. As I show you guys previous already, those are service we need for these controllers. The first service is generate service, we know it already. Artist service, and album service, they are familiar. We know it, we knew them already, so I don't have to explain everything. Okay, to show that part, let me see, I'll comment everything out for you, so you don't have to confuse what we need. Okay, what we need over here is just only this one. Again, request mapping. Okay, I will command this one, map the store manager page. Okay, so this one we use map the store manager page. This slash is the root of the store manager page, and the method is get. And okay, pay attention, I use JSP. Okay, so I use HTTP servlet requests and HTTP section. It could be over here. I don't use section because I don't need it, but I always put both of them because in case somehow I use it. And model map, this one you guys know already. Again, logger, don't worry about that. Because go back to here, we want the list of the album, right? So it means we need list of the album, so we have to create a list of album. And where can I get the information at? Album models by all albums. Okay, I show you guys already, so this one is not new. And after that, I put I use the models, put the model list into the view, StoreManager, put it in the view, show over here. Okay, my album, I don't use it. It's okay, I'll show you later. So it means I'll put it here and return. The return, we used to use return string, right? But I want to show you guys a new stuff, so I use JSP, and the return is model and view. Okay, model and view, we have three parts. First is this one is the name of the JSP file. This one is the name of the beans. This one should match with this one. Inside the view JSP file, we should declare JSP use bean ID is something, and type is the whole name, whole path of the album model, and it's called. Okay, mark it down. Okay, remember this one and this one should be matched, and if you want, we use this one, album models, here and here, match. Okay, alright, so we good to go at the controller part. StoreManager, this one is not new. Okay, instead of in JSP and JSTL, we can import beans over here. Import class, package, something, everything. We can do everything because this one is powerful, right? So we can use and import entities over here, models, controllers, whatever. But really, I just see we use models and entity. Not new. It could be new. Yeah, import something. Yeah, new, because we want to use a list and a map. Alright, this one I just told you guys, show you guys. Not new. Title, link of CSS, header, index, I mean the name of the There's the index. The link where we go to create the new album. See, create new. This one link. Go to this page to create a new album. See, the structures over here is the table. The first column is January, the second column is artist, third column title, fourth column is price, fifth is dated, sixth details, and seventh is delete. Okay, so remember, and this one is the head of the table. So we create a new table, the head of table. We have January, artist, list, price, and those three over here is blank because see, blank. So I put it blank. The body of the tables, I use the for each loop. This is how we use in JSP. Open and close. Open and close. I want to use the for each loop. The list I get from the album models. I declared over here already. Album model, right? And where I get the album model. Clear? File the album, because inside the album model we have this method, right? Okay, so each of album, each of item in the list we put into my album. Easy, right? tr table row. So each row we have 8 columns. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's see. January ID, artist, January name, artist ID, title, price, edit, details, and delete. Okay. 7. Yep. Okay. It seems we have everything. For the first columns, TR is mean table row. TD is table data. The first columns, the table data, and inside that one I put the information. What information? January name. Okay, see, open and close. And if I want to show the information into the view, on the view, the equal sign. Clear? So my album models, not, we have to this one. Okay, we have my album, right? And I want to get the name of the January, so we have to use album model file by January by ID, and the ID is here, because the genre ID I get from here, my album that get genre ID and get genre ID. Get genre ID is here is from this one is from the album. Album entity. Album here. Get entity. Where is that one then? Get genre ID. Okay, and the second one is from the genre get genre ID here. Okay, so you look is it look the same, but it's from different entity. It's clear, right? After I get the album object, I get the genre ID to get what genre I'm working on, and I get the ID of that genre. Makes sense, right? So it means I have the genre ID, the same one, artist ID, same technique. And after I have the genre ID, I put in here because I want to find the name of that genre. Same technique and same technique. I use the album model to find all the album. Album model file. Okay, I'll show you why we have this, because I can use we cannot use directly from album models. Album model. Okay. Over here, because by genre by ID we have to use the model genre model. Okay, we cannot find the genre ID directly from the album model, so we have to use the bridge. This one is the bridge. Use it. Okay. DAO. We should change to model. And inside this one, StoreManager, this will change to model. See, model. Good to go. Okay, because again, we cannot find the genre or the artist directly. We have to use this method as a bridge. Okay, so far so good. My album get title of the album. See, to show. See, title. So my album dot get title inside this one. and we should have the equal sign. Same with price. Okay, those left three over here, columns over here, they just text, and we create and we make them become links. Text, just show them TD and show them by just put a text at between the TD tab, but we want to create them become link, so we put a tag and xref. The rest is go to album edit, and we put the album ID to get the ID of the album. Okay, because the edit over here, we should know which album we're working on. That's it. Because the edit over here, we go to edit album. For the detail, we go to details album, and of course we need album ID, because without album ID we don't know which album we're working on. And the third one is delete. Of course we need the ID of the album to delete. We don't want to delete the wrong one. Okay, alright, and because over here we open for each, right, we open the brackets, and over here we close brackets, and see we just have one TR, 7 TD. Each row is mean we have one TR, and we have 7 columns. This means we have 7 TD. Okay, and it's repeat for all of the album inside the database. So we have 33 album. So it means this for loop over here, it will 33 times, and it will create 33 rows for us. Okay, everything clear, right? Alright, so okay, go to store. Store is like this, but we want StoreManager. Okay, this is the 33 albums we have. Where we get the album, you just create for yourself. Album ID, genre, ID depend on the genre we have the album. For example, you want that genre, the genre for that album is Latin, the pop, so we put the genre ID is 7. Okay, and the artist ID is the same. You go to the artist, and what artist ID is, you put in here the name, the title of the album, the price, and URL. Okay, just say that, but we're going to create a new album, right? It's much more easy for us to do it on the website instead of doing inside the database. Okay, so it means create new. No, we don't have it because I commented out. So remember, I just create edit something. I comment it out because I don't want to confuse you guys. But um, right now we have everything already. Edit, um, details, delete, and delete all the album. Okay, hopefully you guys love this tutorial, and see you next time. We are going to show the details. Bye, have fun.